Muraibu ensi ya Kenya muskuli ya muruto GOCHIA kumurikira Ogwakanwa kwa bali babwateranite gone chingoma na gusiria obugima bwabo chinga kichokorobekana abo bategete bose abo bayenegetiwe kwanike bunamba chikora omuroberi oyo ekomiti eyo nigera achie koragwa amo no mosemia bo Muraibu ense Professor Makau Mutua amo no motendribwe kiumbe kyaba wakili LSK Faith Odhiambo moiga bugo changia chibesa chiogosiria bose kwanike bunamba chikwanike chibesa chongo baikira chire ababwatani no mochando.
Shall acknowledge the voices of those who have suffered while protecting victims and their dependents from being silenced, to the perpetrators of such heinous crimes and to your masters. In Genesis 9, chapter 9, verse 6, whoever sheds the blood of man, by man shall his blood be shed, for God made man in his own image. My loyalty is to you, the people of Kenya, and my learned friends who I serve at the Law Society of Kenya. I intend to guard this duty jealously and execute my mandate diligently. Should my efforts be frustrated or cannot be or undermined in any manner whatsoever, I am prepared to do the honorable thing in fidelity with the rule of law and the Constitution of Kenya. Inspired by the memories and plight of every victim, may we find guidance in the spirit of the Constitution and let justice be our shield and defender.
Thank you very much for joining us today to launch what is a historic initiative. I also want to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, for taking what is a bold and unprecedented step to leap into history by establishing this process, which is unique and which is singular in our nation and on the continent of Africa. I also want to thank the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, who has expressed unqualified support for this initiative. I want to thank the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, who has been a champion of victims in this country and who has spearheaded, together with the President, a national healing process. And this one in particular, he has been a singular voice calling for compensation of victims. I want to thank also the Attorney General, who has been very helpful to us in prosecuting this particular initiative. I want to thank the Cabinet Secretary for the Treasury, John Badi, who is supporting us with treasure, obviously, very important. I also want to thank the Ministry of the Interior and National Administration, and lastly, the Head of the Public Service, Mr. Philip Koske. And I want to express, obviously, my thanks to all the oversight bodies and constitutional commissions who have sent their very highly qualified individuals and staff